All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we finally find out pricing on the brand new 2022 Toyota GR6. Let's get to that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric, and we're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, so is this more expensive than the BRZ? Does it cost exactly the same? Actually, it's cheaper in every single configuration. It is cheaper. Let's get to that. Base model to base model. The manual transmission GR86 is $230 less than the BRZ, so it comes in at $28,725, including destination. So all pricing will include destination. The automatic is even cheaper. I'm going to say it saves more money. So $330 less than the BRZ, comes in at $30,225. The model that I would be most interested in would be the premium version. So this is going to give you your upgraded Alcantara on the inside, better wheels and tires, all that kind of fun stuff. So that's $31,325, only saves you $130 less than the BRZ. So I would save the least on that model out of all of the models. If you want to save the most, you would get the premium automatic for $32,825. This saves you $430 over the BRZ. Now, is this a big difference? No. These are small hundreds of dollars. $430, I mean, that's pretty good. I'll save money where I can get it, though. This is nice. Thanks, Toyota, for making it cheaper. But you know what the best part about buying it from Toyota versus Subaru? Here's what you get. Every new Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a maintenance plan that covers normal, factory, scheduled services for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, and 24-hour roadside assistance for 2 years, unlimited mileage. Do you want to pay for oil changes or do you want those covered for free? Awesome. Who doesn't want roadside assistance? Not saying you're going to need it, but it's peace of mind. And that all comes free from Toyota. It does not, it's not even an option with Subaru. So here we go. This is why I think the Toyota is the better deal. Both of them look about the same to me. The cars are so similar as far as how they look. I didn't know how to make my deciding factors. So a buddy of mine, we've been debating this car. We've been very excited for this car. And he's like, which one do you think you would want if you were going to get one? And I was like, well, number one, I got to drive both because maybe there'll be a difference there. And I know that the BRZ and the GR86 have different like knuckles up front. So the BRZ is going to get an aluminum knuckle. The GR86 is not. How they attach the rear sway bars are differently. This one's a little bit more tail-happy. The BRZ is a little bit more planted. So it really depends on those types of things. The interior with the red flashes look a little bit brighter and cheerful to me. In the BRZ, the gray in this one here, it's a little bit more subdued. But again, it's not a big enough difference to really make, nothing was really grabbing me. And I was like, I don't know if it's going to be pricing. This wouldn't be enough pricing. Now, the Toyota Care, that might sway me just because I get more for my money. This price discount, I save $130. I'm sure I could walk to Subaru and be like, hey, give me $130 off or I'm not buying your BRZ. And they'd be like, sure, guy, $130 off. So I don't think these prices are going to really persuade one person to go the other way or not. The Toyota Care might. That might be a deciding factor. But I actually got to see, I told him, I go, look, maybe color is going to make this deciding factor for me. And I'll tell you, my favorite version of the 8.6, the BRZ, the FRS, was the Hakone edition. It was that beautiful green on bronze. It was gorgeous. If they had that available right now, I would get that. That would be my favorite right now. But I finally got to see all the different paint colors, and my favorite is this Neptune blue. I was shocked. I thought I was going to go with the World Rally blue with the BRZ, which is a beautiful blue. Then I saw this, and I was like, are you kidding me? This looks like a Porsche. Like literally, if this was on Porsche's lot right now, this looks like a Porsche to me. This is a fantastic blue. I don't know what it is about the shape of this car and this blue. Woohoo! It sings to me. I'm a huge fan. Which color would you guys get the GR86 or the BRZ? Are you guys going to be buying the 86 from Toyota or are you going to be buying the BRZ from Subaru? I can't fault you either way. I'm just curious to know which one you guys would get. Based on color, pricing, and value, those three combined, I am leaning towards the GR86, especially in this beautiful Neptune blue. It has grabbed my attention. So anyways, that's the good news. The GR86 is slightly more affordable, and I have finally picked one based on color, so I can't wait to drive them. By the way, they're supposed to be hitting dealership lots this December. So originally it was going to be November. It's been pushed back to December, so almost here. So both of these vehicles are going to be available soon. So I'm excited. Which one would you guys get? Leave your comments down below. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.